There's something quietly powerful about a space that understands you, a place where every corner feels intentional, where nothing is wasted and yet nothing is missing. In a world that keeps getting faster, louder, and more crowded, imagine coming home to simplicity. Not emptiness, but clarity, a space that breathes with you, a space that adapts to your life. It's not about how big a home is, it's about how it makes you feel. A small studio can become a sanctuary where mornings begin with soft light spilling across clean surfaces, and nights end in a room that transforms effortlessly into comfort. Every movement becomes smoother, every object has purpose, every detail works for you, not against you. There's a quiet kind of luxury in that. When a table unfolds exactly when you need it, when a bed disappears to give you space to live, when storage hides the chaos of the day, something shifts inside you. Life feels lighter, easier, more in control. And suddenly, space is no longer something you lack, it's something you create. Because real freedom isn't about having more, it's about needing less and loving more of what you already have. These spaces tell a story, not of limitation, but of possibility, of smart choices, of thoughtful design, of a lifestyle where beauty meets purpose in the most effortless way. You start to notice the little things, the way light reflects off clean lines, the calm that comes from order, the joy of a home that evolves with you. And maybe, just maybe, you realize that this isn't just about furniture. It's about a new way of living, a way where your home supports your dreams instead of holding them back, where every inch is filled not just with design, but with intention. Because at the end of the day, it's not the size of your space that defines your life, it's how beautifully you choose to live in it. And this is where that transformation begins. Modern Homes and Gardens.